guys, and welcome to an amazing piece of furniture. My name is Leonie, a Cameroonian manufacturer, and this is a 6 meters long conference table designed and manufactured 100% right here in Douala, Bonaberi, Cameroon by Maison Modern. Now guys, you can see that we have put in here beautiful LED lighting that is not visible. It's very hidden. You have very soft light shining beyond the glass and lighting up the pebbles that represent the color scheme of our customer. We have this running all the way here, right down to the end, and every single major face here has a logo for our customer, rightly presented, protruding forward on the screen, and ensuring that the corporate image of our customer is represented. So guys, we have now completed putting in place the beautiful conference chairs around our own designed and manufactured conference table in Douala, Cameroon. Maison Modern, like I told you earlier, makes any kind of furniture, and we do this with good wood. Now this is no MDF, this is no particle wood. This is good wood, treated and manufactured 100% right here in Cameroon. The 19 comfortable conference table with people of any size sitting in order to plan the future or discuss the future of a company that they all love. So contact us on the number at the end of this video and we will give you the products that you'll be proud of. My name is Leonie, a Cameroonian manufacturer and a change maker. Peace and ciao.